mindset क्या?
I've just been very lucky to have a lot of interviews. अलग सोचते हैं, that is from a very young age, that little extra, थोड़े एकदम दिल्ली वाले होते हैं ना कि अबे हो जाएगा. And I think he just had this innate confidence. Some people want to do the tough things. Some people always want to do the tough things. He's one of those. He's always wanted to do it. And he showed that. He's shown that time and again. Sabse pehle, how will the world believe in you if you don't believe in yourself? I think he believes in himself even if it comes out ki bahut overconfidence hai. Doesn't matter. He's proved it time and again कि overconfidence नहीं है, जो impossible लग रहा है, he'll make that possible. So that's something, a little bit of it could be natural, could be conditioning at a young age, could be a lot of reasons that we may not be aware of. And he didn't change any of that in international cricket. I think उनको कभी ये नहीं लगा कि यहाँ पे आके अब कुछ अलग करना है, कि लोग मुझे जज करेंगे. Again, unapologetic.
जो हूँ मैं हूँ.
And जो हूँ मैं हूँ, और वही करते करते इतना कर लिया that everyone just started to believe कि भाई है,
कुछ भी कर सकता है.
यही है, कुछ भी कर सकता है. Like there is, कुछ players मैच कहीं से भी जिता सकते हैं. Like कहीं से भी. That performance at MCG, at 82, which was actually great because Virat in the interview said कि when मेरे को तो समझ नहीं आ रहा था हो क्या रहा है, विकेटें गिर रही हैं. And Hardik Pandya walked into bat when India had lost 4, I think. And मैं रवि भाई के साथ कमेंट्री कर रहा था. And this is what he said, like यार मैच कैसे बिल्ड करें, जनता तो टीवी बंद कर देगी, दिल टूट गए सबके, मैच तो लग रहा था हाथ से निकल गया यार, जीतने के चांसेस बहुत कम हो गए थे. And this is like रवि भाई पर्सनैलिटी. And this is what Virat said, I was just zapped and Hardik came and said हो जाएगा करते. So he just said like अच्छा हाँ हो जाएगा. अमर प्रेम लग गए एंड निकाल दिया मैच. But those 2 shots that Virat played, so yeah, just that innate confidence कि मैं करूँगा, कोई कुछ भी बोल रहे, and just wanting to do कि ये नहीं हो सकता, नहीं यही हो सकता, मैं करता हूँ. कई होते हैं ना कि नहीं मैं करता हूँ करे, और some people are very good at what they do, but they could just be happy हाँ ये हो जाएगा. There's some are just, I think a little bit of it is, I don't want to use the word gift and talent and all of that because ये undermine कर देता है आपकी achievements को. इसके लिए रोज़ काम करना पड़ता है. And I mean now, and obviously he's into a lot of, I think, meditation and mind space. As we all know, he's gone a lot towards spirituality. So wherever you get answers, wherever you get that peace and focus.
I feel जो एक बेस्ट क्वालिटी है जो हर कोई अग्री